Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Not already following me on Instagram or X at the Cali Bear, please subscribe, hit the like button, fire it up. I'm the main host, Monto. Let's do this. We're going to have some sort of Mario Galaxy activation here at CityWalk. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is like an April 1st thing. So we got a little time to go. But we're gonna get a cool setup. I love when they do activations like this at CityWalk. Remember when we had that big Jurassic World Rebirth stuff, or Jurassic Park Rebirth? That was sick. Can't wait to see how this all comes alive. And most importantly, I can't wait to see Mario Galaxy. One thing not to forget, tomorrow is March 10th, which is considered Mario Day. And they're gonna do a lot of special stuff here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We're gonna get some new snacks. I think, if I'm not mistaken, some merch. Right? I'm pretty sure merch. And Yoshi will be doing meet and greets in Super Nintendo World. It's always a good day when I get to look at this beautiful face right here. Look at that. King Kong! First thing we're gonna do is talk about the Universal Bubble, because things are getting very, very interesting. Look at that. All that will be a wall soon. We're already seeing the wall start in the backside, like behind Dodger Store and all that. But it's made its way over here. Let me show you. So we see the wall already happening right here. And then it's gonna come this way. And then go here. This is the first of the supports of the new wall. And look how it's right next to security. But they're doing it on this thing. I didn't expect that. I thought they were just gonna out there, you know what I mean? So this infrastructure will still stay, at least for now. All the front gate parking, drop-off areas, and stuff like that. So the wall will, I guess, go over there and then convert to here. And then all this will be a wall. And then connect to that wall at the exit over there. Wow. What I'm wondering, if those supports that we're seeing right here, are those gonna be temporary? Or will that be a permanent thing? You know, we've been hearing all the talk about a hotel right here, and that talk's kind of been fading, but I would imagine it's still a future play, right? I don't know. All this wall talk, it's all confusing, but it is the future out here. The Universal Bubble. Absolute gorgeous Monday out here at Universal Studios Hollywood. It's like maybe 75, you know, nothing too bad. Last week, things are getting in the 90s. Like, what's going on? I literally felt like summer, but today's gorgeous, gorgeous day. It is about 1:21. Hopefully we could catch some Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift testing. The actual ride vehicles were out today, but you know how things go. They just stop testing and that is it. You gotta get lucky. Didn't have a chance to get a sneak in the load station, and they do got the ride vehicles chilling. So maybe we get lucky and see some testing today. But we're gonna go get some updates from Jurassic, whatever's over there. Man, look at that. Those are the supports for the future wall that's gonna be arriving out here. And they are moving fast now with all the glass for the screen shields. And way out there. One of the main reasons I want to come today, to keep track of what the heck all this is. There's just so much that keeps arriving, you know what I mean? Some foliage. And then check that out, the arches. I got to keep going down the escalators to get a good look at that. That wasn't done last time I was here, so cool to see that. Everyone keeps saying, are we gonna have fire? Do you think these things are gonna have fire? I sure hope so. But at the end of the day, what is this? What is this? And then look at this mysterious tent over here with that big ass door. Huh. Wow. Let's get a better view from the bottom area. See if any more dinosaurs have arrived. This is just too freaking cool. Wow. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I'm assuming these will have fire, right? They have to. Wow. I was reading some of the comments on one of my posts recently, and everybody's like, what are they gonna do with this small area? I'm like, that is not small. This wall right here is gigantic. This area is huge. It's huge. Maybe it looks small because there's big dinosaurs just kind of chilling, you know? We got the sculptures out here. Spinosaurus. We got a raptor far off in the distance. The big question, how will all this come to life? Is it mega movie summer? Is it fan fest? Oh, look, they're starting to add speakers now too right here on the supports. Wow. Holy macaroni. I'm just in awe. This is unbelievable.
Easy. Nice work. Have a good day. Hey. Let's back it up. Volunteers, which also makes you the last people Blue sees before she eats. Steady. Easy. Easy. And nice work, folks. Thank you so much for your assistance today.
We're gonna be heading back to the upper lot, but just wanted to showcase this netting that arrived. Keep everybody protected while you're going up the stairs. All right, let's do some upper lot updates. Just walked into 101 Exchange. Check this lounge fly that has arrived with the arches and the spinning globe. Universal Studios lounge fly. Wow, very nice. This one's being sold for $90. I like how it has all like the movie stuff, you know. Made our way to the Forbidden Forest of Harry Potter. Look at the boxes. I think these things are here to stay. I got like a little opening right there. Maybe some puppetry work that could be happening. I don't know. And then work way out there is happening as well. I did see like lightings and stuff like that is being set up over there on that far end. But they're hard at work over here at the Forbidden Forest. Time to do one of the best rides in the world, the Universal Studio Tour. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
She also has 4 Emmys for this show, 1 for each season so far. They're almost done filming season 5. This is a Universal television production that airs on HBO Max. Next Door, 18 and 19 are currently...
What is happening?
They built a bunch of new sets in that area that are being used like a little Greek island. I have to turn off the mic again, but I'll see you in a bit.
More active film.
one headed our way right now. Keep your camera strong. That effect is created using thousands of gallons of recycled water. You can see it on your screens in the Academy Award-winning To Kill a Mockingbird, TV shows like Parenthood, 911 with Angela Bassett, and Superstore with America Ferrera. If you've seen Superstore, so we should try to quietly sneak out of here before he can even see or notice us. So we're just gonna take the oh, he saw us. Oh, he's super saw us. We're gonna go, we're gonna go, bye! Luckily, the trams, these waterfalls, all filmed in front of that giant wall. The blue wall can be digitally replaced using CGI, computer-generated imagery, and turned into anything you can imagine. The area in front of the wall where all these trucks are is made to experience the park in a whole new way. Step into the iconic worlds of Scooby-Doo. When we park, the studio tour ambassadors will be opening all those gates on the left-hand side.
That was one of my favorite studio tours I've done in a while. Active filming, it's like a blessing when you see active filming because it's a real studio tour, you know what I mean? Who knows what those productions are, but very cool. Sadly, wasn't able to catch any testing, but it does seem like it's a morning thing. Not really a midday or afternoon thing, but we'll definitely come early soon and try to catch it again. The last thing to check on today is the merch at the studio store, and then time to fire it down. Last stop of the day, studio store. See if anything's new in here. I could only imagine all this is gonna get booted for Mario Galaxy soon. FanFest. Unless Wicked's part of FanFest. I haven't heard it is, but we'll see. I keep praying Back to the Future is gonna be part of FanFest somehow. It's not looking good, but I pray. The reason I really wanted to check the studio store if more of this merch arrived, because we saw that Loungefly at the 101 Exchange over there, but nothing in here, shockingly. Yeah, I don't see nothing. Crazy. That's going to be all for today's adventure out here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Had a blast. Very chill vibes today. Even though it was kind of crowded, still managed to do quite a bit. And got some great updates. I can't wait to come back, though, and see more testing of Fast and Furious. I just want to see it go over the escalators, that whole drift moment over the escalators I haven't seen. I've seen it with the zebra cars, not the actual cars. But I hope we get some announcements for FanFest. My goodness gracious. We're going to go into the middle of March, and they still haven't announced everything. Kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. All right. Don't forget, smash that like button. Hopefully we could come back tomorrow for Mario Day and all the festivities that's going to happen with that. We are firing it back.